Hello traders, welcome to my screen view. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Day Trading Booster Indicator to detect market trade opportunities. The Day Trading Booster Indicator is designed to assist in determining probable trading opportunities, market peak times, and when better trading opportunities may arise in order to help traders create their own strategies. The best time to trade is when the market is the most active and therefore has the largest trading volume. Trading all day long will not only deplete a trader's reserves quickly, but it can burn out even the most persistent trader. Therefore, the Day Trading Booster Indicator will help traders to know when the markets are more active, and also to let them know that opportunities are not slipping away when they take their eyes off the markets or need to get a few hours of sleep. To apply this trading indicator, search the keywords Day Trading Booster and select the EP version by DGT on TradingView's Community Scripts folder. Let's check the parameter functionalities of this trading indicator. Under the input settings, the Forex markets specifically include opening channel of the Asian session, European session, none, or both. By default, none is selected for Sydney and Tokyo. Opening price, opening range, 5 minutes or 15 minutes, and day, session, range of the major trading center sessions, including Frankfurt, London, and New York. There is a tabular view of the major Forex markets' opening and closing hours, with a countdown timer. This is the tabular view on the right corner of the price chart here. There is also a graphical presentation of typically traded volume and various foreign markets' opening-closing events, not only the major markets, but many others around the world. This is the graph with dotted circles at the bottom of the market prices. For all types of markets, Day Trading Booster plots day, session, open, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 hour opening range. The orange dotted horizontal lines marked the opening and closing of each daily trading reference level. Day, session reference levels, based on average true range, ATR, or previous day session range, PH-PL, also for week and month open. Day Trading Booster also includes some of the day traders' preferred indicators, such as VWAP. A custom interpretation of VWAP is presented here with auto, interactive, and manual anchoring options. Pivot High-Low Detection. Another custom interpretation of Pivot Point's high-low indicator. A moving average with the option to choose among SMA, EMA, WMA, and HMA. How can we use the Market Sessions and Volume Profile Indicator to generate buy and sell signals in the market? As we can see, the tabular view of the major Forex sessions here has a different shaded color box. There is the medium blue for Sydney, the magenta for Tokyo, the yellow for Frankfurt, the blue for London, and the green for New York. It's left for traders to determine the Forex time session they are willing to trade based on their own convenience. To have a higher winning rate, traders need to watch out for volume breakouts in the direction of the market trend. To detect a buy or sell setup with this trading indicator, traders need to patiently watch out for the transformation of price buildup in a rectangular price medium within resistance and support levels shaded by any of the color indication of the tabular view of the major Forex market session. As we can see in this uptrend, after the price bounced up and down within the blue shaded medium interface that identified the London trading session, price later closed above the resistance structure of the blue medium interface. This gave a signal of the right time to buy in the London session after the bullish price breakout. Also, study the yellow medium interface bullish breakout here, which gave the signal to buy in the Frankfurt trading session. Also, here comes the bullish breakout of the green shaded New York session here. Let's search for how to implement this indicator to detect a bearish setup in a downtrend. To detect a bearish setup in a downtrend, we should be watching out for the breakout of price below the support structures of the shaded medium range interface in a downtrend. As we can see in this downtrend, after the price bounced up and down within the yellow shaded medium interface that identified the Frankfurt trading session, price later closed below the support structure of the yellow medium interface. This gave a signal of the right time to sell in the Frankfurt session after the bearish price breakout. Also, study the blue medium interface bearish price breakout here, which gave the signal to sell in the London trading session. Also, here comes the confirmation of the bearish breakout of the green shaded New York session here. It's time we initiate some trade setups based on this trading methodology. Here is a bullish uptrend. A bullish price breakout occurred above the resistance green structure here in the New York trading session. Time to buy. We will place our stop loss at the low of the last higher low swing in this bullish trend here. And we will target 2 risk to reward ratios. Let's see how the trade goes. Our take profit hit. A bearish price breakout occurred below the support yellow structure here in the Frankfurt trading session. Time to sell. We will place our stop loss at the high of the last lower high swing in this bearish trend here. And we will target 2 risk to reward ratios. Let's see how the trade goes. Our take profit hit. As we can see, it is usually not easy to be self-disciplined and resist temptation in the market, especially for beginner traders. This is where the importance of the day trading booster indicator can be applied to help overcome the temptation of the fear of missing out or making emotional trading decisions.